What's up guys, XXI Chris here, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Beats Fit Pro. These are the pink purplish versions. So here we can see we have comfortable secure fit wingtips, active noise canceling. Here on the other side of the box we have sweat and water resistance earbud, and on the back of the box we just have an image of the case of the earbuds. It says true wireless Bluetooth earbuds with USB-C charging case and cable. Down here at the corner we have 6 hours of battery life for the headphones, 18 hours for the case, and 24 hours total. Here at the other side we have active noise canceling with transparency mode, comfortable secure fit wingtips, and that's it. Down here at the bottom we have like serial number information, all that fun stuff. Alright, and let's open this thing up. I gotta use this knife to open up the tape. Alright, tape is undone. Let's slide this open. Kind of reminds me of like an Apple packaging. Here we go. We have a little Beats logo here. Nothing around the box. Okay, time to slide it up once more. And there it is. Wow, look at that. Very vibrant. Here's a little close-up of the case. It looks like there was a little dirt speck on there. Okay, taking it out of the box. Beautiful. Look at that. There's the bottom. There's the USB-C charging port for the case. Okay, put that to the side and let's see what else is in the box. 2 pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open. Okay, opening that up, we have a little bit more things inside the box. Taking that out, and the box is completely empty. There's nothing inside there. Alright, so checking this out here, we have a USB-C and some ear tips. So let's check this out. So taking out this USB-C cable, I'll tell you one thing, it's very short. So maybe you might have a USB-C cable hanging around, it'll charge it. Here we're gonna take out some little information pamphlets. Looks like we have Apple Music. I won't be using that because I have Spotify. We have some Beats stickers, some warranty information, and then we have a Beats Fit Pro type of manual here. There you go. It says initial pairing on iPhone with latest iOS, and then Android. Some information about the ear tips, and then the wingtip. Here's some information on the back, pretty much how to function the actual headphones, the charging, and some basic information. And now let's get to the actual headphones. Here I have the AirPod Pros side by side with the Beats Fit Pros. You can see the size comparison. It looks like the Beats Fit Pros are just a little bit bigger than the AirPod Pros. Not by much, but you can definitely see the size comparison. It really doesn't weigh that much though. All right, first time opening the case. Here we go. And boom, look at that, such a nice presentation. The overall build quality of the case is pretty good. It kind of feels a little cheap. I've seen some reviews that people were complaining about the case, the opening lid. But I mean, honestly, it's not that bad. All right, so taking out the headphones itself. Oh wow, it's a really interesting layout. I think the wingtip really makes it a unique look, but overall the build quality really seems high quality. And here's the wingtip here. And here is what it looks like without the ear tip. Here's just a quick comparison between the AirPod Pros and the Beats. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video, y'all. Peace.